In this video, I'll detail how to use Siri on lock screen on iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you have an iPhone 12 Pro Max, then this video is going to quickly walk you through the steps that allows you to use Siri on lock screen on your iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if I don't know this video, if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do here is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on Siri. Locate Allow Siri when locked. Now, this feature allows you to use Siri when logged on your iPhone 12 Pro Max. Turn this on, then you'll be prompted to type in your iPhone passcode, then go ahead and key in your iPhone passcode. Then, once you see Allow Siri when logged enabled on your iPhone 12 Pro Max, then you can just exit the page. Then, whenever your iPhone screen is locked like this, and you want to use Siri on the lock screen, you can just say, "Hey Siri, differentiate between a cloudy weather and a non-cloudy weather."
Okay, I found this on the web for differentiate between a cloudy weather and a non-cloudy weather. Check it out.
Open Google.
You'll need to unlock your iPhone first.
So this is to tell you I am using Siri on lock screen on my iPhone 12 Pro Max. So that's exactly all you need to do to turn on or activate Siri on lock screen on iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you found this really informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.